Hello students, in this audio module English test, you will see a list of questions on the screen. Read the questions carefully. Please listen to the audio attentively, which will play after the instructions. You need to answer the questions based on what you hear in the audio module. Good luck! In the small town of Blue Meadow, there was a tree unlike any other. It was an ancient oak, standing tall and proud in the middle of an empty field that was once part of a vast forest. Over the years, many of the trees around it had been cut down to make new buildings and roads. But this one oak had somehow survived. Known as the last tree, it had become a symbol of resilience and hope for the townspeople. For generations, people had gathered under it, holding community events, picnics, and even weddings. Kids would play around it and listen to stories about the magic of the last tree. One day, a developer named Mr. Renshaw came to town with plans to build a shopping mall on the land where the last tree stood. His proposal excited some residents who hoped it would bring jobs and tourism. However, others, especially those who valued the town's history, were devastated by the news. A group of friends, who couldn't imagine their town without it, organized a campaign to save the last tree. They created posters, handed out flyers, and spoke to the town council. They even started a petition, gathering signatures from anyone willing to support their cause. On the day of the council meeting, the friends presented their case, explaining why the tree should be protected. They reminded everyone of its cultural importance and the memories it held for the town. However, Mr. Renshaw argued that the mall would benefit the town more than a single tree. He claimed the tree was old and would soon die anyway, so it was better to use the land for something useful. But just when it seemed like the council might approve his plan, something incredible happened. A storm rolled in, and a flash of lightning illuminated the sky. Just as Mr. Renshaw was about to speak, a sudden gust of wind rattled the council room's windows. The townspeople gasped as they looked outside. The last tree was standing against the wind, its branches swaying but not breaking. It was as if the tree itself was defending its place in the town. Inspired by the moment, the mayor proposed a compromise. They would designate the last tree as a protected landmark, and Mr. Renshaw could build his mall on a different plot of land nearby. Mr. Renshaw reluctantly agreed, and the townspeople cheered. The last tree had been saved. Today, the tree still stands, a testament to the power of community and the importance of protecting nature.